Tuntua si Goopy yan pag napapanood ni Goopy.
Rico J ba ito?
Actually, very Rico J.
Na?
Para kinukuryente yung puwit niyan.
Wala nga. Walang hangin.
Kasi...
Oh, di ba? Ganda nung step na yun.
Bugoyites.
That's good. Very nice, Bugoy. I like that. I like that. Uy! May fan ka, may fan ka! Okay. Direct.
Alam mo, mas sexy ka pang sumayaw kaysa kay Chris. Hindi talaga. Mas may confidence ka pa sa sexualidad and emanating grace ng Chris. Halika nga rito, tangina ka. Direct. Ayan, sige, bumalik ka na ron. Okay. Yun lang ang pacing din. Pareho ang problema nyo ni Larnie. Kasi hanip yung, hey! Ganyan. Pagdating nung huli, hindi ba?
Wala kang hangin.
Wala ka nang hangin.
Pero yung energy nandun. The energy was there.
Saka ang galing niya mag-interact with the dancers and with the audience. At saka, okay na.
Nag-invento ka ng sarili mong sa galaw, dun sa, di ba, yung ginawa mo to. Ang ganda. Tamo? Mag-create ka kayo ng sarili nyo. It doesn't have to be always listening or following the choreographer. We are not gonna feel bad because I will be so happy you did your own style. Kasi pag diniktahan kayo ng diniktahan ng isang choreographer, yun natin ang galaw nyo. Diba yun yung sinasabi ko, kami nagga-guide lang, binibigyan lang namin kayo ng pointers, but you can create your own dance, create your own style, kasi you're singers. Diba? May sarili akong style. Kung naging singer ako, may sarili akong galaw. Diba? Pero meron tayong susundin ng choreographer sa instrumental, kailangan natin gawin. Pero pag solo nyo na, gawin nyo kung anong galaw pwedeng gawin, alam nyo bagay. Yung create ni Bugoy is a very nice step doing that. Tapos nagganong ka, ang ganda. Nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong style, you have the Bugoy step, di ba? It's nice.
Tsaka yung...
meron lang sa mukha niya na pag medyo gulat.
Nalalaki yung mata, nanlilisik yung mata.
Kanina, di ba, yung sa babae, nag-i-interact ka, laki ng mata mo eh.
No, anak kasi, on stage you get carried away. Ganyan din sa'yo, Larnie eh. Hindi ba you get carried away eh? Kasi, wow, you get carried away by the moment. But pag nahuhuli yun ng camera, nakakatakot. Because it's meant to be seen from a distance, but the camera goes near you eh. So you just have to be conscious about it. Okay? Again, over-energy yun. Okay?
Tapos pacing is very important. Remember, we are singing live. Okay?
Alam nyo guys, so far, ang advantage ni Larnie at ni Bugoy is the fact that they're coming out to be original performers. Okay? Because